Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Tribit XSound Go portable wireless speaker. Now we're looking at the front side of the packaging and we can see what the product looks like. It's got a very minimalist packaging, so you've got next to no branding or pizzazz on the rear side. You can see a couple of features being listed. Let's go through them one by one. This thing is rated for IPX7, water resistant or waterproof. That's to a certain extent. It supports Bluetooth 5.0. It's got a long battery life. Sound quality is superior. And you get stereo sound from it. On the bottom, you have some additional information regarding the websites, the social media links, as well as the pricing information and contact information for the manufacturer. So that's it for the external packaging. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. First, you have the user manual. Always read to the user manual to understand how to operate your device and what all functions and features it has. Then you have a little token of appreciation, or rather a note of appreciation from Tribit for purchasing the device. Then there's the charging cable. The Tribit XSound Go uses a USB Type-C interface, and the cable happens to be about 1 meter long. And lastly, we have the speaker itself. Here you can see the front side has a metallic grille, and you can even see the drivers on either side if you can angle it properly. Then it is quite hefty, so that's always good for stability. The top side has all the different controls. So you have the power button over here, followed by the Bluetooth button. Then there's a play pause button, a button to reduce the volume, to increase the volume. And there's a little hole over here to show you status LED. And on the back side, you have a little port that opens up. This thing has the aux input, as well as the charging port, that is the USB Type-C cable. On one side, you have a little lanyard to carry the device around. And on the bottom, you have 4 rubberized feet in all 4 corners for a little bit of stability and grip. So that's it for the unboxing of the Tribit XSound Go portable Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.